Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will explain what diagnostic code 40 means and how to correct a battery overvoltage. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. This video continues our series on troubleshooting LiftMaster gate operators. Look at the diagnostic display while attempting to run the operator. Diagnostic code 40 indicates battery overvoltage. With diagnostic code 40, there are typically no noticeable issues or symptoms except for the appearance of code 40 on the diagnostic display. The typical cause is that batteries have been miswired. For example, in a 12-volt operator, wiring two 12-volt batteries in series will result in 24 volts being delivered to the operator. Before servicing the product, disconnect power to the operator. To resolve the problem, make sure the recommended battery is installed. Make sure batteries are properly wired. A 12-volt system requires one or more 12-volt batteries wired in parallel. A 24-volt system requires two 12-volt batteries wired in series. Refer to the specifications in the installation manual. When you reconnect power to the gate operator, the diagnostic display should no longer show code 40 if the problem has been resolved. When you finish servicing an operator, be sure to access the diagnostic code history and clear it. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Remember to visit us on the web at liftmaster.com or the dealer extranet.